Hello everyone. In this video, we will summarize the main points of this section while solving some exercises. Let's start with the first one. Which of the following ideas of John Dalton are still believed to be correct? Pause this video and then try and label each answer as a yes or no, and then check your answers. So we have to check first which of these is believed to be correct. Are atoms solid? As the atomic model evolved, we believed that atoms are mostly made from space, so we will label this one as a no. Atoms in an element are all the same type of atom. For example, the element hydrogen will contain only atoms of hydrogen, so we will label it as a yes. Atoms cannot be split into smaller particles. But 3 subatomic particles have been discovered, which are electrons, protons, and neutrons. So this one is a no. Compounds contain different types of atoms. For example, water will contain oxygen and hydrogen atoms, so it's a yes. Question 2. Who proposed the plum pudding model of the atom? So remember that electrons were embedded between the positive charges, and that was the model of Thomson. Question 3. What is the charge of an electron? Is it neutral, positive, or negative? That's true, it's negative.